Imagine this. Hundreds of middle school students are trying out an innovative one-handed drone controller at Powers Museum STEAM Demo Day. One student rolls up in a wheelchair, right arm and hand in a brace. I put our proof of concept in his left hand and he flies a drone for the first time. "Wow," he exclaims. "That's really cool," he says, as he maneuvers the drone in all directions, excitedly with a smile plastered on his face. We were astounded. We were inspired. And we thought, this is really a way that our technology could improve the lives of so many people. I'm Annette McClelland, I'm from Tecuma, and we're improving the ways humans interact with technology. Current controllers are overly complex. They're fragile and confusing, actually haven't changed very much in the 80 years since they were invented. Devices have evolved, controllers should too. My co-founder Michael Griffin discovered this problem firsthand, trying to control a drone and its camera at the same time. Decided there must be a better way. So what we've developed is a one-handed 6 degrees of freedom tactile-based controller. It's intuitive, universal, and robust. We reduce the time, cost, personnel, and training required to get the job done. Here is a working demonstration of our control orb. You can see with just 2 fingers, I can operate all 6 axes of the control orb. This is at about 50% sensitivity, which means there's very little user strain, and this can be adjusted direction, dead zone for any user and any application necessary. Here's the control orb in another iteration. Ambidextrous and one-handed, I can control all 6 axes of the control orb with just 2 fingers again. Next, let's see a drone demonstration with Michael Griffin.
As you can see here, I'm able to control the aircraft entirely with one hand. Up to go up, down to go down, forward, backward, left, right, and yaw, all with one hand. Allowing me to do things that are traditionally very challenging to do, like catch the drone with one hand.
Undersea ROV is a paying customer and our first collaboration partner. Hear from Ian Holmes as a testimonial.
Then left, pulling the ball that way, pulling the ball to that side, or pushing the ball that way makes the ROV move in that fashion. So up, down, I'm pushing down on the ball, or corresponding, I'm holding at the bottom, pulling up. It's a bit hard to see, but I'm sort of pulling up on the ball like that. It's such an awesome, amazing way to fly. Look, I mean, it's one hand essentially, so I'm steadying it, but we're working out the ergonomics of various aspects of it, right? But this is amazing. Controller is just so intuitive to fly with. That's flying with one hand.
You can see more of that demo and testimonial from Ian Holmes, Undersea ROV, on our YouTube channel or website. Undersea ROV has actually been using our controller for over a year now for maritime maintenance, exploration, research, and biosecurity. Even entertaining kids at the Children's Hospital through the Starlight Children's Foundation. We've actually tested our controller with thousands of users, from 3-year-olds to 83-year-olds, across applications such as Air Force drone control, bomb disposal, air traffic navigation, professional aero cinematography, accessibility applications for those with neurological disabilities, and high school robotics teams. They've all found our controller provided reduced user strain, and they could learn how to control within minutes. Over the last 4 years, we've come from problem to prototypes to patents, all the way to paying customers, including these trials in the underwater rover market. So the Sustainable Development Goal we're most interested in is number 10, reduced inequality. Our control orb can give people access, both remotely and accessibility applications across all sorts of industries. We'd really like your help through Goal 17, partnerships, to achieve our goals, to make this happen for more people in more spaces. What we're looking for now is more of those partnerships for collaboration that will allow us to give more people a friendlier control experience. We are Tecuma, and we're improving the ways humans interact with technology.